Ever wondered what powers the backbone of America's heavy machinery and highway legends? Meet the Caterpillar 3406-R, an engine so robust, so legendary, it's practically a beast under the hood. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of this mechanical titan. Whether you're a trucker, a diesel enthusiast, or just curious about what keeps the big rigs rolling, this video is your ultimate guide. But beware. What you're about to discover might just change how you see diesel engines forever. Because by the end, you'll know why this engine isn't just an old workhorse, but a symbol of power, reliability, and pure American grit. And trust me, you don't want to miss the jaw-dropping fact about its secret to longevity that very few people talk about. Let's start at the core. The Caterpillar 3406-R was introduced in the mid-90s and quickly earned its place as one of the most reliable heavy-duty diesel engines on the market. With a massive 14.6 liters of displacement, this inline-six powerhouse delivers up to 500 horsepower and a staggering torque output. Imagine hauling thousands of pounds uphill with ease. It's the kind of torque that makes other engines sweat. Seriously, if engines were superheroes, the 3406-R would be wearing a cape and carrying a giant wrench. But what makes the 3406R so special? Is it just brute strength? Not quite. This engine boasts a mechanical fuel injection system that's both simple and highly efficient, meaning fewer moving parts to fail and easier maintenance. For drivers on America's highways, that translates to less downtime and more miles covered. Now, you might be asking, okay, it's powerful and reliable, but how does it handle the brutal realities of long hauls, harsh weather, and constant wear and tear? The answer lies in its rugged construction. The 3406R features a heavy-duty block cast from high-strength iron, paired with forged steel components designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles. And its cooling system? Designed to keep this beast running cool, even in the most punishing conditions. Here's a little secret most people overlook. The engine's torque curve is engineered to deliver smooth power across a wide RPM range. That means no sudden jerks or power loss when you're climbing steep grades or merging onto the interstate. This isn't just raw power, it's power you can control. Think of it like a marathon runner who doesn't sprint too hard at the start but knows exactly when to pick up pace to win the race. So, why should this matter to you? If you're a professional driver or owner-operator in the US, choosing the right engine means more than just performance. It's about saving thousands on repairs, fuel, and headaches over time. The 3406R's simplicity and durability make it a favorite for those who demand reliability above all else. But here's the catch. These engines are aging. With newer emission regulations and technological shifts, finding well-maintained 3406Rs is becoming increasingly rare. And those still on the road, they require expert care to keep running strong. That's why, in the final part of this video, we'll reveal the single most critical maintenance tip that can add years, sometimes decades, to the life of your Caterpillar 3406-R. Miss this, and you might be looking at costly rebuilds or worse. Ready for it? The secret is this: consistent, high-quality lubrication and cooling system upkeep. Sounds simple, right? But many operators underestimate just how much clean oil and coolant circulation protect the engine's internal components from wear and corrosion. Think of it like the engine's blood flow. Skip it, and things get ugly fast. Trust me, no one wants a heart attack on the road. And beyond that, regular valve adjustments and injector calibrations ensure the 3406-R maintains its signature efficiency and power delivery. Here's the kicker. By investing a little time and care into these maintenance routines, you can keep your Caterpillar 3406R running reliably well past the 1 million mile mark. So, to recap, the Caterpillar 3406-R is a powerhouse engine built for durability and dependable performance. It's the engine behind countless American haulers, with a design that blends raw power, simple mechanics, and engineering finesse. But don't wait until it's too late. If you own or operate a 3406R, start your maintenance regimen today. Engines like these aren't just machines, they're investments, and how you care for them determines whether they become legends or liabilities. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense diesel engine insights, and drop a comment if you want us to cover specific engine models next. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and those wheels turning.